Hello, gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for dissecting the latest and greatest tech offerings. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting bundle to unbox and explore. A gaming keyboard and mouse combo with a bonus gaming headset and mouse pad, all packed into one awesome gift box by Orsley. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's pop open this sleek black box and see what's inside. Ah, it's like Christmas morning for gamers. We've got not one, not two, but 4 fantastic gaming goodies in here. This bundle is a complete starter pack that's ready to level up your gaming experience. First up, we have the gaming keyboard. It's a wired membrane keyboard with vibrant multicolored LED backlighting. These RGB lights are here to create the ultimate gaming atmosphere. Plus, it's anti-ghosting with 19-key rollover, which means no missed keystrokes even during intense gaming sessions. What really sets this keyboard apart is the RGB lighting. It features 3 rotating colors and a breathing mode, giving your setup that mesmerizing glow. Whether you're gaming in the dark or just want your station to look cool, this keyboard has you covered. Moving on to the gaming mouse, it's also wired and comes with some nifty features. This ambidextrous mouse has adjustable DPI settings ranging from 800 to 3200 DPI. The precise optical sensor ensures accuracy in every movement. And of course, we can't ignore the rainbow RGB lighting that adds that extra flair to your gaming rig. Now, let's talk about the gaming headset. It's got stereo sound that delivers deep bass and crisp highs, perfect for immersing yourself in your favorite games. The soft earpads are designed for those marathon gaming sessions, and the foldable microphone comes with volume and chord controls. Plus, it's equipped with a versatile 3.5mm audio jack, so it's compatible with various devices. Last but not least, we have the bonus item, a large mouse pad. It provides a smooth surface area for precise mouse movements, no matter your DPI setting. The natural rubber base keeps it firmly in place, and it's been rigorously tested for durability and reliability. Plus, the anti-fray cloth ensures it lasts through countless gaming battles. And when you're on the move, it's easy to roll up and take with you. What's fantastic about this bundle is its versatility. Whether you're a PC gamer, console enthusiast, or even into retro gaming on your RetroPie, this bundle has something for everyone. It's also perfect for everyday computing tasks. So, there you have it, the Orsley gaming keyboard and mouse combo with a gaming headset and mouse pad, all bundled up and ready to elevate your gaming experience. If you're looking for a complete starter pack that delivers on style and performance, this is definitely worth considering. If you found this unboxing and overview helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights and unboxings. Until next time, happy gaming, and stay tuned to Product Critique.